Hi guys, it's Daniela again and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to do a dramatic anti-Valentine's Day look. And it's going to be really dark and not soft or cute. It's going to be extremely dark. So what I'm planning to do is a cut crease again because I want to practice. And yes, my forehead is red here because I was picking at my skin and now it's red. I literally just picked at it. So yeah, let's get started. So I've already primed my eyes and they're all set to go. So the first palette I'm going to take is my NYX Brights palette and I'm going to go in with this colour into my crease. So now that I've placed the pink where I want, I'm going to go in with the ABH Modern Renaissance palette and I'm going to take this colour here, which is Love Letter, and I'm going to take that into my crease, but I'm going to use a smaller, more confined brush just so it stays more into my crease. That doesn't make any sense, but you know what I mean. So now that I've placed that Love Letter colour where I want, I'm going to go back in with the colour from the NYX palette and I'm just going to blend it out so it's all seamless. So I'm just going to go in with a clean blending brush and just blend out all the edges. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with this red eyeshadow that I have. And it's from Sugar Pill and it's called Love. And I'm going to go in with this into my crease with a small brush. So now that I've blended everything that I want to blend, I'm going to cut my crease and yeah, wish me good luck. So I'm back guys, so I've done both of my eyes. I did this eye off camera because this eye is a bit more challenging than this one. So I'm thinking of going in with liner and I'm going to go in with black liner. So I'm going to go in with the LA Splash Artkitekt Slim Liner, the one I've been using quite often lately. And pray for me guys, pray for me. Before I do my liner, I'm going to set my actual eyes. And I'm going to go in with the powder that I'm going to use, which is the PS My Perfect Colour Mattifying Powder. So now that I've done that, I'm going to do the black liner. Wish me luck. So what I'm going to do now is just go over the liquid liner with some black eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill Palette. I'm going to go in with a touch of black and I'm going to use the one from the Jaclyn Hill Palette with a really small brush. This could literally make or break this look. Pray for me. Okay, so I've done this, like, it's not like massively neat, but it's my first attempt, so I'm actually quite proud of it. So I'm gonna go and do this eye off camera because there's no way I can do both eyes on camera. Right, see you in a bit. Bye guys, wish me good luck. Hi guys, so now that I've done both eyes, they're not very like crisp, but I've tried and they don't look bad for my first attempt at this look. I'm gonna do my base off camera and then I'll be back. Alright, so I'll see you in 2 minutes, an hour for me. Bye guys. Hi guys, so I'm back. So I finished off all my base and I've done everything that I needed to do. And now I'm going to do my lower lash line. So I'm going to go in with all the same colours, but I think I'm going to make the lower lash line a lot darker to match the darkness in the eye. Now that I've gone in with the NYX colour, I'm going to go in with that Love Letter from the Modern Renaissance palette. And, oh, what's in my inner tear duct is MAC Kitschmas Pigment. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with the black shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm sorry I keep using loads of different palettes, but you could probably recreate this with like just the Modern Renaissance one and a dark black. And I'm going to go back in with that Love Letter shade from the Modern Renaissance palette and just blend out the black so it's not too like neat, a little bit messy. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk in my waterline. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with my mascara and it's the PS Lash Contour Mascara. And all the products that I used today, I will put in my down bar, just in case you wanted to know like what I used in my base and stuff. So now that I've done mascara, I'm going to go in with my lipstick and I'm going to use the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Weirdo and it's just a black one. So I'm going to go in first with a lip liner and it's the NYX Lipliner in Auburn because I don't have a lip liner in black. So guys, I've done my lips and I have finished off this look and this is the final look and I'm really liking it. It's so like different and so out there and so dramatic. It screams to me anti-Valentine's Day if I'm honest, just the darkness. Anyways guys, this is the end of the tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to like and comment while you're watching, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. It won't kill you like I've said before, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.